and both these batteries together contain about 4 hours of charge, which is amazing, and you can go up to 25 kilometers. Hello guys, so for the longest time people have asked me, Sujith, why are you using a manual wheelchair? Right now what you're seeing is I'm on an electric wheelchair for the first time in my life, and I've been cruising around Alsi from the past 1 hour trying to see how I feel about it. So I had collaborated with Gilani Mobility, and they had given me this wheelchair, this electric wheelchair, for a week to try it out and see how I feel about it and how comfortable I am with it. Now this wheelchair alone can carry a weight of 180 kilos. That's freaking impressive. And as you see, these are the batteries out on the side. So it's battery operated, and both these batteries together contain about 4 hours of charge, which is amazing, and you can go up to 25 kilometers. So that's good. And then over here you have your display of your battery and your speed and your horn. So it's quite a phenomenal piece, I would definitely say. It's reclined like a recliner, and that's how I've been cruising around Alsi all throughout. So it's definitely an experience I'm trying, and I'm learning more as I am using it. So yeah, wait out for more reviews. That's going to be coming out very soon.